guys, in this video I want to show you 7 common mistakes people make with the DEWALT 2160V snowblower and how to avoid them. I've been using this exact machine on real snow, around 8 to 12 inches, and I wish someone told me these things on day one. It would have saved me time, effort, and even a repair. Mistake number 1. Expecting this snowblower to be self-propelled. This DEWALT is not a drive machine. The wheels don't power themselves. The steel auger grabs the snow and throws it, but you are the motor that pushes it forward. For some people, that's totally fine. If you're reasonably strong, have a normal-sized driveway, and your snow is usually 4 to 8 inches, pushing it is not a big deal. But if you're buying this for an older family member, a smaller person, or for a long or uphill driveway, you need to understand they will be doing all the pushing. In deeper or packed snow, you really feel it. So don't buy this thinking it will pull itself like a big 2-stage gas machine. It won't. Mistake number 2, clearing snow that's too shallow. This machine works best when it has something to bite into. Under about 2 inches of snow, it just doesn't perform as well. The auger barely has anything to grab, so the snow doesn't throw very far, and you might still see a light layer on the surface. That doesn't mean it doesn't work, it's just not very satisfying. If the forecast says you'll get more snow later, sometimes it's better to wait until you have 3 or 4 inches instead of clearing 1 inch twice. This machine likes at least a couple inches of snow to really shine. Mistake number 3, waiting too long after a storm. If you let everyone drive over the snow, walk all over it, pack it down, and then try to clear it a day later, you just made the job much harder. Packed snow and tire tracks are tougher on any single-stage machine, especially one that's not self-propelled. With the DEWALT, you'll find that you often have to take smaller bites, rock the machine forward and back, and sometimes hit the same spot 2 or 3 times in turbo mode to really scrape it down. So if you can, try to clear the driveway before too many cars drive on it. Fresh snow is where this snowblower works the best. Mistake number 4, using only eco mode. Eco mode is great if you just want to clean up a light snowfall and maximize your battery life, but a lot of people leave it in eco all the time and then complain that the machine feels weak. For normal storms, standard mode is usually the sweet spot. You get good power and still decent runtime. For deep, heavy, or packed snow, don't be afraid to switch to turbo or boost mode. Yes, it uses more battery, but the machine throws snow much farther and doesn't bog down as easily. Eco, Ash, Light, Cleanup Standard, Saish, Everyday Use Turbo, Heavy Lifting. Use the power that's there. Don't handicap the machine by staying in Eco all the time. Mistake number 5. Not planning battery charge time. These 60-volt flex-volt batteries are big, that's why they give you solid runtime, but it also means they take time to charge. From low to full, you're looking at roughly 3 to 4 hours on the included chargers. The mistake is waiting until the snow is already falling, looking at your blower and realizing both batteries are dead, or you clear half your driveway, batteries run out, and you have to sit inside for hours while they charge. The simple fix: after a storm, as soon as you're done, bring the batteries inside, let them warm up if they're cold, and start charging them right away. If you live in a really snowy area or you have a long driveway, consider a second set of batteries so you can swap and keep going. Mistake number 6, aiming the chute wrong. This sounds basic, but it's a big one. The DEWALT can throw snow a pretty good distance, especially in deeper snow and in higher power modes. If you're not paying attention to your chute direction and angle, 2 things happen. Number 1, you might blow snow right into your neighbor's clean driveway or onto the car you just cleaned off. Number 2, if you're throwing straight into the wind, the snow can blow right back into your face and cover the area you just cleared. Use the electric chute controls on the handle. Rotate the chute so you're always throwing snow away from areas you've already finished, and tilt it up or down depending on how far you want it to go. A little planning with chute direction makes the whole job faster and cleaner. Mistake number 7, storing it wrong after the season. This is a cordless machine, but that doesn't mean you can just park it in the corner and forget about it. When winter is over, take a few minutes to do it right. First, brush off any packed snow and ice and let the machine dry so you're not storing moisture and salt on the metal parts. Second, use the quick fold handle so it takes up less space and doesn't get knocked over. Third, remove the batteries and store them in a dry, cool place, not out in a freezing garage and not in direct heat. Mid-charge is usually best for long-term battery health. Good storage means less rust, better battery life, and a snowblower that's ready to go the next time it snows. Here's a bonus mistake that cost me personally: not checking for sticks or other objects in the snow. One time, my DEWALT snowblower grabbed a stick that was hidden in the snow. It got sucked into the auger and ended up breaking the belt. I had to replace the belt, and that's not a fun surprise in the middle of winter. So learn from my mistake. Before you start, quickly scan your driveway and sidewalk for sticks, toys, rocks, or other debris. Never intentionally put anything inside the intake or chute. If you do hear something jam or the machine suddenly stops, shut it off, pull the safety key, and use a tool or broom handle to clear it, not your hands. Checking for debris takes 30 seconds and can save you from damage and repair. So those are the 7 big mistakes, plus one bonus, that DEWALT 60V snowblower owners make. If this helped you, or you're thinking about buying this machine, check out my full in-depth review and real storm test video, where I show how it performs in about 12 inches of snow. Hit like if this was useful. Drop your questions or your own experiences in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.